stamattina andremo a prendere i moscioli. Forza, andiamo.
Ciao a tutti, this is my little brother Francesco and we grew up mussel fishing in Ancona, our beautiful hometown. Vai! Moscioli is a slang word that people from Ancona use for mussels. And this is finocchietto selvatico, wild fennel. Cherry tomatoes from the garden,
Olio extravergine d'oliva,
extra virgin olive oil,
pizzico di sale,
salt,
zucchero di canna per caramellizzare.
brown sugar.
Selvatico.
Ooh la la! Oh mamma! And this is my papa Alessandro.
Oh!
Say ciao. Always finish to cook the pasta in the pan with some cooking water and the water from the mussels.
Eccezionale! Spaghetti ai moscioli. Buon appetito!